So welcome YouTubers, today I am going to review the latest version of Microsoft Windows Mobile Operating System, Windows 10, and the latest build is 10536.1004. And in this build you can find that the time and date is going to be loaded quickly when compared with the previous build, that is 10512. And also we can see that the quiet hours is working fine now. Previously in build 10512 it used to blink. And one more update we have got is that you can find we have got the landscape keyboard in case of 10536 build, whereas in the previous builds we used to not have this landscape mode keyboard. We used to get a blank screen in the place of keyboard, but you can find that we have the landscape mode keyboard. This is one more improvement we can see in case of this operating system. And as well as that, you can observe there are a lot of bug fixes and there are a lot of performance improvements in this one. So previously if you observe that it used to struck when we have got a lot of or more number of tiles, whereas here it is not going to happen in this build. So you can see here, even if I'm using it, it is not going to struck, whereas in the previous builds this used to struck very wild. And even there is an improvement in the call performance also. Even in the dialer also we have got some improvements. And coming to the store, even in the store also, previously in the store it used to take a lot of time for checking updates or for searching or do some performance, okay, but now it has got a lot of improvement and it is going to load very quickly when compared with the previous builds. And the main thing is that you need to update this from the Windows 8.1. If you want to update this from the build 10512, it will take a bit more time because you have to update the two builds. That is, first of all you have to update with 10514 and next you need to update with 10536. Whereas if you are on Windows 8.1, just if you take a bit of time, that is around 5 to 10 minutes, by getting back to Windows 8.1, you can directly go with Windows 10 10536 in your mobile. So that is up to you whether you want to go with 10536 or through Windows 8.1 or through Windows 10. So if you are going through Windows 8.1, it will take a bit less time, okay. So it's the best thing you can do it. And again, you can observe there are a lot of improvements in this. And coming to the settings, you can find, so let me go to the system and show you the version now. So about you can find here the version name. You can see here the version is 10536.1004. And coming to the Z storage, it is going to struck up. So remember, don't go with Z storage because it needs some improvement. So just go for the settings, and if you click on the Z storage, it is going to struck the settings and you need to again open your settings. And coming to personalization, there are not more improvements. You can see that the personalization is similar to the previous one, and as well as you can find the colors. Those colors are same as out of the previous build. And again, one more improvement you can find that in the previous builds you can't see this glance screen, okay. If you want to go to the glance screen, you used to again use some sysap pusher and go to the glance screen, whereas now you can find this glance screen directly and you can set it either off or peak or interval and always on. That is up to you. You can set it as required. This is one more improvement. And one more improvement is you can find that we have got the insiders hub in this version again, okay. So we have got the insiders hub, the back again, okay. This is one more update. And next, so the store applications are loading fastly. You can search easily and fastly. So these are some of the improvements you can find in Windows Phone 10.